so I can kind of get a feel for it.
So if you run in and then get a grip on the material, you might want to set the pressure just a little bit more. So set your pressure just a taddy more, just to give a nice deep line, and then we're going to tip up just a little bit. So slight angle, moving around the line, tipping the panel up. There we go.
A little too fast.
Yeah, it takes a little getting used to, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks easier than it actually is when you're coming down. All right, we'll run through that one more time. Just do the same thing exactly. And this time we're tipping it a little bit further. And it's doing it all progressively. So we're maintaining the shape of the panel, and then we'll get into the hammering and stretching the flange over by hand rather than using the planishing hammer for this particular exercise.